Hey you guys, what's up? So today we're gonna do a quick little unboxing. I'm going to be reviewing and showing you guys what was in my inspo box. They are a new bi-monthly subscription service. It's gonna be $29.99 every 2 months, and you guys will get a ton of really cool goodies. So let me show you what came in my month's box. So the first thing that I'm gonna be pulling out of my box is this super cute light pink stainless steel cup. Look at how pretty this is, you guys. How cool is this? The next thing that comes in your box is these 3 little tea packets. These are super cool because they are different shapes and you guys don't need to remove the bag because the tea just straightly melts into your water, and you can put it in your new little stainless steel cup right here. The next thing I'm going to be pulling out of my little box is this Okalon Solor Secret Palette. You guys, look at how pretty these shades are. This is what the swatches look like, you guys. These are so pretty. There's 4 shimmers and 4 mattes. And I'm just super in love with them because I love pinky shades and purple shades like this, and I feel like it looks good on every single person's eyes. I used the shades Bliss, Heavenly, and Ecstasy to create my eye look because I really wanted to use this palette and see how it worked. So this palette is super, super pretty, and you guys, look at how pigmented the shadow is on my eyes. So nice. The next thing that came in my box is some super cute little socks, you guys. How cute are these? They have ice creams on them. I'm literally living. I cannot wait to put these on and rock these in like an Instagram selfie for my stories. So the next thing that is gonna come in your box is the Aloha Love and Happiness brushes. You guys, there's 12 brushes in this set. And look at how many cool brushes there are. There are powder brushes, eye brushes, a highlight brush, foundation, and even some shadow brushes. There are 2 little tops and bottoms to this little kit. So you can put all your clean brushes in one side and then your dirty in the next. So while you're using it, you can just transfer it over. I mean, at least that's what I do with my cases. The last 2 products that came in the box is this Cass Cosmetics Pinwheel Lip Lux. You guys, this is one of my favorite lip luxes ever. It is so pretty on. And of course, I saved the biggest product for last. So this is a super cute INC bag. How pretty is it? It's like has a full little carrying moment, and you can use it as a crossbody. It's just super boho, really, really cute. So that concludes the end of this video. There was 7 products in this one's box. I mean, you can count it as 9 if you want to include the 3 little tea bags. But I really, really liked it. I think it's super cute. I can't wait to see what I'm gonna get in my next box. If you guys liked this box, click down below. I'm gonna leave all their information. Again, it is $29.99 bi-monthly, which means you will get a new box every 2 months, which I think is really cool because you don't want to feel too overwhelmed with a lot of products. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on post notifications. That way you guys know when I'm going to post a new video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Yeah, I thought I could quit.